Yeah, baby. Once again, it's on. Number 12 of Gerry's microwave workout, baby. Check it out. Eye, hand, feet, and mind coordination, baby. Everything must work together as one unit. Check it out. Yeah, baby. Like I said, baby, it's a microwave, baby. Short, sweet, and direct, and straight to the point. Like that popcorn you be eating at nighttime, or the popcorn that you be sneaking in at the movie theater. You dig? And I'm out. On to the next one, on to the next one, on to the next one. Once again, it's on. Number 12 has been completed.